In the bustling world of cryptocurrencies, two rising stars, Avalanche, AVAX, and Fantom, FTM, compete for dominance. Both platforms have captured the attention of the crypto community, drawing in investors and developers eager to explore their potential. As the digital currency landscape evolves, AVAX and FTM stand as formidable contenders, each striving to outshine the other in a rapidly growing market. As investors and developers seek faster, more scalable blockchain solutions, AVAX and FTM emerge as promising alternatives to Ethereum. Ethereum, while pioneering, has faced challenges with scalability and transaction costs, paving the way for new players. Avalanche and Fantom capitalize on this opportunity, offering innovative solutions that promise to overcome these limitations and attract a new wave of blockchain enthusiasts. Avalanche boasts its unique consensus mechanism and multi-chain architecture, setting it apart from traditional blockchain designs. This approach allows for high throughput and quick finality, making it an attractive option for developers. On the other hand, Fantom touts its lightning-fast transaction speeds and low fees, appealing to users who prioritize efficiency and cost-effectiveness in their blockchain interactions. A fierce battle ensues as both platforms vie for partnerships, users, and market share in the rapidly evolving DeFi landscape. Each platform aggressively pursues collaborations with major players in the industry, seeking to expand their ecosystems and increase their influence. The competition is intense, with both AVAX and FTM striving to prove their superiority in a crowded and competitive field. Despite their similarities, key differences in technology, ecosystem, and adoption strategies begin to shape their distinct paths forward. Avalanche focuses on its robust infrastructure and diverse use cases, while Fantom emphasizes speed and accessibility. These strategic choices highlight the unique advantages each platform offers, guiding their development and growth in different directions. As the dust settles, the crypto community realizes that both AVAX and FTM have carved out their niches, each offering unique strengths in the ever-expanding blockchain universe. Rather than a single winner emerging, both platforms find success in their respective areas, contributing to the diversity and innovation within the crypto space. The coexistence of AVAX and FTM enriches the blockchain ecosystem, providing users with varied options to meet their specific needs. So, what crypto to invest? Avalanche is expected to continue growing in adoption, especially in decentralized finance, DeFi, and enterprise solutions. By 2025, Avalanche could reach a price range of $150 to $200, representing an increase of approximately 200% to 300% from its current levels. By 2030, with further technological advancements and broader adoption, Avalanche might see prices in the range of $300 to $500, marking a potential increase of 500% to 800%. Fantom is also gaining traction in DeFi and smart contract applications. By 2025, Fantom could see prices between 5 and 10, translating to an increase of 400% to 900%. By 2030, as the ecosystem matures and more projects build on Fantom, the price could range from $15 to $25, reflecting a potential increase of 1,500% to 2,500%. Both projects have strong potential, but Fantom might offer higher percentage gains if its adoption continues to accelerate. Share your opinion, experiences, and questions about Avalanche and Fantom in the comments section below. Let's engage in a productive discussion and continue exploring the fascinating world of cryptocurrencies. We hope that you found it informative. If you did, please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know about our latest crypto videos and guides.